Reading different types of documents on Android can be much easier when you have one app that supports multiple file formats. From PDFs and Word documents to spreadsheets and presentations, a good document viewer can keep everything accessible in one convenient place. In this video, we'll explore some of the best all-document reader and viewer apps for Android. Let's get started. All Document Reader VE Viewer App. All Document Reader VE Viewer App is a practical Android application designed to let users open and read different types of documents from one place. Instead of installing separate applications for every file format, users can use a single document viewer to access common files stored on their smartphone. This makes it particularly convenient for people who regularly work with documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and PDF files. The app can be useful for viewing formats such as PDF, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and PowerPoint presentations, depending on the version and supported formats. Users can browse files stored on their device, open documents quickly, and navigate through pages or slides without needing to switch between multiple applications. Its file management features can also make finding documents more convenient. Users can typically browse folders, locate recently opened files, and share documents directly from the viewer. Some versions may also provide tools such as searching within documents, zooming, and basic viewing controls. Overall, All Document Reader VE Viewer app is a convenient choice for Android users who want a single application for handling multiple document formats. Its all-in-one approach can simplify everyday document viewing, especially for users who frequently receive different types of files. All Document Reader and Viewer Android. All Document Reader and Viewer Android is an Android document reading application focused on providing broad file format support in a single interface. It is designed for users who want to open different documents without constantly switching between specialized Office applications. The app can be especially useful for students, professionals, and anyone who frequently receives documents through email, messaging apps, or cloud storage. The application can support common formats such as PDF, DOC, DOCX, XLS, XLSX, PPT, and PPTX, although the exact compatibility can vary depending on the app version. Users can browse their phone's storage and quickly locate documents they want to read. Basic navigation tools make it possible to move through pages, zoom into content, and view documents comfortably on a smartphone screen. Another useful aspect is its centralized document interface. Instead of searching through different folders or applications, users can manage and access supported documents from one place. File sharing and document sorting features can also make everyday file management more convenient. With its focus on multi-format compatibility and simple document access, All Document Reader and Viewer Android is a useful option for people who want a straightforward document viewer. It is particularly suitable for users who need to read various Office and PDF files on their Android device without requiring advanced editing functionality. All Document Reader 2026. All Document Reader 2026 is a modern document viewing application designed to help Android users access multiple types of files from a single application. Its main purpose is to simplify document reading by bringing commonly used formats into one convenient interface. This can save storage space and reduce the need to install several separate viewer applications. The app can be used to open common document formats, including PDF and Microsoft Office-related files, depending on the formats supported by the current version. Users can browse files stored on their smartphone and select a document to open directly. Reading controls such as zooming, page navigation, and document scrolling can make longer files easier to view. The application can also help users organize their documents by providing access to files through folders or categorized lists. A centralized document library can make it easier to find recently downloaded files, work documents, school assignments, or other important content. Sharing documents from the viewer can also be useful when users need to send a file to another person. Overall, All Document Reader 2026 is a convenient choice for users looking for an all-in-one document viewer on Android. Its emphasis on compatibility, accessibility, and simple navigation makes it suitable for everyday document reading and file management. All Document Reader and Viewer for Android. All Document Reader and Viewer for Android is designed as a versatile document reading tool that brings multiple file formats together in one application. It can be useful for users who regularly deal with PDFs, text documents, spreadsheets, and presentations and want a simple way to open them from their Android phone. The app can provide support for common formats such as PDF, DOC, DOCX, XLS, XLSX, PPT, and PPTX, depending on the specific version. Users can scan their device storage for supported documents and open files directly from the application's interface. Page navigation, zoom controls, and other basic reading features can make viewing documents more comfortable on smaller screens. One of the main advantages of an all-document viewer is convenience. Instead of remembering which application opens each file type, users can access multiple formats from the same interface. This can be particularly useful when working with several types of documents at school, at work, or while traveling. The application is best suited to users who primarily need viewing rather than advanced editing. Overall, All Document Reader and Viewer for Android provides a practical way to keep different document types accessible from one place while maintaining a straightforward mobile reading experience. All Document Reader. All Document Reader is an Android utility designed to provide a centralized way to open and read different types of documents. It focuses on convenience by allowing users to access multiple file formats through a single application rather than relying on separate viewers for each document type. This makes it useful for people who frequently download or receive different kinds of files. Depending on the supported formats in the particular version, the app can handle common documents such as PDF, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files. Users can browse their device storage, locate documents, and open them directly within the application. Basic controls such as zooming, scrolling, and page navigation help make documents easier to read on an Android screen. The app can also simplify document organization by bringing supported files into one accessible location. Users may be able to find recently accessed documents more quickly and share files directly from the viewer. This can make it useful for everyday tasks such as reading work documents, checking spreadsheets, reviewing presentations, or opening downloaded PDFs. Overall, All Document Reader is a straightforward option for Android users who want a single application for viewing different document formats. Its emphasis on accessibility and multi-format support makes it a useful everyday tool for reading documents without unnecessary complexity. Those are some of the best All Document Reader and Viewer apps for Android. Each one can help you open, read, and manage different types of files more conveniently from your smartphone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android app recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.